Yo, what's up boys? And in today's video, we are gonna play Revolver only. Alright guys, so there's a game mode called Swift Standoff, which is only revolver and a knife, but the knife can dash like the scythe. So, but when are we gonna play this game mode? I'm gonna go to my skins and turn it on random. Yeah, that's better, that's better. Alright, so now let's hop into this. Let's go. Alright guys. Oh, I just missed my first shot. Oh, this is the normal. Bro, why am I missing my shots? Okay, yeah, I'm dead. Oh, I just killed this guy. Alright, now we got my favorite second skin on the revolver, because the first one is the Keyvolver. Bro, what is this guy yapping about, dude? Oh no. I almost just fall. That will be embarrassing. Why am I okay, wait. Okay, I just hopped on the game. That's why I'm missing my shots. I just hopped on the freaking game. This is like my first game. I just got on my PC. Ooh, we got the sheriff. This is a pretty nice skin, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, we hit that shot. Oh, we finally got Deagle. Let's go. Now, this is like my third favorite skin too, because it's like so good, bro. Okay. Okay, I'm missing way too much. I don't know what is this. Oh, nice clean headshot. That was crazy. Wow. GG. Oh my gosh, I tried to flick, but it didn't work. Alright, I'm gonna flick now. Bro! I just died to a knife. Great. Alright, so this is like my least favorite skin on the revolver, like the normal one. Bro, why can't I flick? Oh my gosh, that was crazy. That was actually crazy. GG. Okay, we finally got the pepper gun. We didn't get this on the last game. Wait, this Loki looks clean with his wrap, but it looks like a handgun. Yeah, pretty much. Okay, the peppermint sheriff. Oh my gosh, 300 ping? Are we serious? Okay, I'm starting not to miss now. This is good. Bro, this lag is so bad. Alright, let's try and hit a trick shot. Alright, boom. Oh my gosh, if I hit that, I will actually cry. Oh my gosh, dude, that was actually crazy. I got some crazy here. Aim over here, huh? Oh, we just got the mirror. Give me a skin. Oh, what the? Oh my gosh, dude, how? GG, bro, how did I do that? It's time to hop on some 2v2s. Alright guys, it's time for some 2v2s, and my teammate is using a controller, so, and he just died. But I think my teammate is actually AFK. Alright guys, I wanna teach you a little trick in this game mode. Look, if you want a knife, oh my gosh, my teammate just left. If you want a knife up, to take your knife in your hand and go like this, because you can take the revolver right on your hand. They look like this, like it messes you up kinda, and you need like to do this, boom, and your revolver is right in your hand. So yeah, double trick, yeah, double trick. Okay, I'm missing every shot, not the W aim. Okay, let's go. Ooh, peppermint sheriff. Bro, I'm 2v1ing this, dude. Please skip. Bro, why is everybody asking me for a skin case? I'm not Mr. Beast, dude. I'm low-key not Mr. Beast, dude. No luck. Please skin case again. Like, bro. Oh my gosh. Okay, okay. I'm kind of warm now. Alright. What? Bro, is that guy Goku, bro? Just spawned out of nowhere. Alright, let me go up 360. Bro, if I hit at that. Okay, I'm not going touch roll anymore. I'm going to try hard. I'm dead. Bro, please get. Bro, can these guys just stop begging, please? Please stop begging. Alright, we got this skin. Bro, low-key, this skin is kind of clean. No, but the bubble wrap is actually crazy. What? Dude, just come on, bro. What the heck? GG, man. Alright, guys, I just hopped into some 3v3 and let's go play Battleground. And my ping is not good at all, bro. 260. Alright. Do Battleground. Okay. I'm not gonna complain about that. Dogs is a good map. Bro, I think somebody has Revolver. Oh my good days. Bro, how did I miss that skin? Dude. What? I shot him first. Bro, does my teammate has the Revolver? No, I don't think they has it. They level 80. No, this guy's a Revolver. Oh my gosh. Wait, what? This guy's diamond knife. Oh my gosh, they flexing on me right now, bro. How did I miss that skin? Bro, guys, I literally had the Robux and I didn't know he was in the shop. Alright, let's just not talk about that. Bro, what? Oh no, I'm gonna lose so bad right here. Dude, my ping is so bad right now. Oh, my teammate just got him. Let's go. Alright, it's time for me to lock him. What? Bro, I'm actually hitting these shots. What is this? Alright, right here. Yep, told you. Bro, sheriff again? Are we serious? Just give me my peppermint sheriff or something. Oh my gosh, my teammates are the best right now. Alright, one more. Go in. Bop. I didn't get it. Bro, sheriff again? If I get this skin again, I'm actually gonna crash out, like, for real. Alright, let me go in here. Break this. Go in. Pop. All good. Oh my god, my movement is crazy. I have no ammos. Oh, my teammate got him. Alright, let's go. We didn't get the sheriff. Alright, where's the guy at? Oh, I just saw him. GG. Alright guys, so that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I am doing another giveaway at 700 subscribers. So stay subscribed. Love y'all. Peace.